It's raining right now. And windy. So I went through a storm this morning. Look how the wind is like. Getting ready to go for another storm. It's probably like. It's 3:06 p.m. So. All storms are not severe. They're just not even strong yet. Much just weak storms. Just high winds. Because I have I had a cold front coming in, so right now it's like in the 50s. Probably, actually in the 50s to in the 40s. 49 degrees probably. And then as it would get down to 48. And this storm is bringing in a warm front. So. Kind of like a big even a hurricane. Look at that. Ooh. Yeah. Well, I'd go.